Hey, how you doing? This is Tommy here from Trading with Harmony, and this is your first time on the channel. A very big welcome. So I just wanted to share with you guys something new and exciting that I have just only implemented about a little over a week ago actually. My actual trade alert, so it's totally free to join. So we'll just go through some of the actual points there now. So here's my real account, you can see, and actually just started with just over €400 account. So and basically all of these trades that I'll be trading in this account will be going into my Telegram account, and this is where you can join and have the same amount of gains that I'm having. So this is what it's all about. So for this week then we're up actually 447 pips. So every time I'm putting on a trade and managing a trade, you'll be getting notified pretty in the second. All right, guys. Okay then, so this week then I'll be analysing the markets then from the actual 29th of March to the 2nd of April, and we'll be going through all the trades that I had predicted from last week, so thanks. Okay then, so the euro dollar then, we can see here that it's been bearish here for the last number of actually weeks here, we can see, because we're in the weekly here, and so we can see this week it's been a bearish candle, right? Okay, so let's go into the actual daily. So we can see here then again, so we're after getting a nice few bits of actual swings. So we have a bit of deeper pullback, but we're still moving down. Okay, so let's go into the actual 4 hours. So last week then we finished here at this point, and what I was talking about then, if we can get a bit more of a pullback up into our structural area, which our structural area was here last week, and then we were looking for a move down to hit our TP. So it did, it came down and hit our TP, being the actual 1.1850. so if you're on that, guys, well done. So then for this week coming down, what I'm looking at then is for a more of a actual retracement up into this area, and then I'm looking for a move down to our new TP level, being the actual 1.1650 in the euro dollar. So the pound dollar then, again, actually this market has been actually bearish as well. So we can see it's been overall, it's been bearish this week, and then on Thursday and Friday we got a bit more of a retracement back from the previous move of early in the week. So let's go into the actual 4 hours. So last week then we finished here at this point, and what I was talking about then was for a move down south. So we got our move down south, it hit our TP, being the actual 1.3784. So for this week then, I'm looking for then quite possibly we might get a bit more of a deeper actual pullback before we will see actually a move down south to hit our new TP level, being the actual 1.3610 in the pound dollar. Finally got our actual break of our actually overall, the last few weeks has been just going sideways. So we finally got our broke. We break in this actually range, so the actual the bulls are back in play. So let's go into the actual 4 hours. So last week then we finished here at this point here, and what I was talking about then, if we can get a bit more of a retracement before it finally came up and hit our actually TP, being the actual 109.74. So then for this week then, what I'm looking at then, quite possibly we're going to get a bit of a retracement before it's going to come up and hit our actually TP, our new TP level, being the actual 110.70, and the dollar Canadian then. So this week then we got a deeper actual pullback past our actual support, or weekly support, but it is actually holding here at the moment at this level. So let's see how this week will prevail. But let's go into the actual 4 hours. So last week then we finished here at this point, and what I was talking about, our actual structural level here, but it's shot past it this week. But so I moved it up higher here, you can see. So once it holds at this level, then I'm still looking for price to continue down south. And once it breaks our actual weekly support here, I'm still looking for price then to continue down south to hit our actual TP level, being the actual 1.2385. So the euro yen then, we can see here then we're actually, the actual bulls overall are actually in play, but we got a nice actually retracement here, and price is starting to move back up. You can see here it's actually holding here at this actual structural level here. Okay, so let's go into the actual 4 hours. So last week then we finished it here at this point, and what I was talking about then, if we can get a bit more of a actual pullback, because the actual it's been going a good while actually in the actual bullish mode. So we got a nice actual retracement here, and down into our structural area here. So for this week then I'm still looking for price then to continue up north to hit our actual TP level, being the actual 130.25 in the euro yen. So the pound Aussie, it's slowly but surely, but slowly moving up north. So we can see here then there's an awful a lot of actually these just range movements going on here. Yeah, okay, so so anyway, it's moving up north, so that's good. So let's go into the actual 4 hours. So it is actually moving up north slowly for sure. You know, it's making swings, but the swings are only very kind of gradual. So for this week then we're still going to look for quite possibly more of a deeper pullback, and then it'll finally come up and hit our actual TP level, being the actual 1.8155 in the actual pound Aussie. Okay then, so gold then is price is still in our descending channel, but we are making a actual retracement here for the last few weeks here, and then this week it's been pretty much going sideways. So let's go into the actual 4. So last week then we finished here at this point, and we got a bit of a nice pullback into our structural area here, but it's been pretty much just going sideways for the week. So again, I'm still looking for price then to move up north to hit our actual TP for this week and beyond, which will be the 1760, providing that the actual 1707 down here, this actual structural level holds. So in the Dow then, we got a bit at the early of the week, we got a actual retracement, which was great, into our target actually before the last 2 days. We can see prices just shooting back up again to the actual, nearly to the all highs again. So let's go into the actual 4 hours. So last week then we finished here at this point here, and what I was talking about then, we were looking for a short time move down to our target, which it did. It came down and hit our target, being the 32,400. So if you're on that, guys, well done. So then for this week then we're looking for is a actual, quite possibly at the start of the opening bell, that we'll probably get a move down south before it will continue up north and hit our actually new TP level, being the 33,500 in the Dow. Alrighty then, guys, so that's it then, guys. So that's been overall, it's been a great week, and don't forget, guys, to subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, and leave any comments you might have, and don't forget then to sign up to the free Telegram actually channel that I have, and get your trade alerts. So look forward to see you on board, and see you next week, guys. Take care. Thanks. Bye bye.